Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this ice maker. This is a really neat ice maker. It is so heavy duty. It does come with this protective film on the front of it that you just take off, and then it reveals this beautiful stainless steel material all across this thing. Like I said, a lot of them that we've had have been plastic. They still work great. This just has a whole different level of sturdy feeling to it. So we will take that off. So this is a really heavy duty machine. It's got your removable lid on the top. You've got your ice basket. Got your little scooper here to get your ice out. It's all done with just a one-touch button. So this is designed that it actually crushes up the ice, then freezes it, so it makes it nice and soft and crunchy, and just that perfect, almost sonic slushy kind of ice. So we go and we will plug it in. And another thing, it actually does up to 35 pounds of ice in a day. That is so much ice, I absolutely love it. Within 14 minutes, it does 100 ice cubes. So we are going to fill this up. I actually have an osmosis system that I'm going to use to fill it up with the water. And then we will let it go because it will start making that ice pretty quick. It is a really compact design as well. It is a 11.3 by 8.66 by 12.7. So it's a nice compact ice machine. So here's the cleaning process. Once you hit the clean for 5 seconds, it then makes the light blink. And it is just running the water through the system. It says you could use vinegar or bleach with the correct amounts of water with it. And then after you do that, then you run through the clean system with just water a few more times. But they recommend you do this first and then make your ice. All right, the machine is now done. And right underneath the bottom side, you see this little drain right here. I am going to open that up and let the water out. So then we can start up the ice making process. We have ice that's now being made. And that is going really quick. It just comes right out this little top hole right here. And then falls down in here. And it is a nice, soft, crunchy ice that would be great for putting in any sort of drink. But it is a nice, quiet machine that is pumping out some ice pretty quick.